If you want to propagate mango tree like this at home, then you must follow this technique. First, you need to select a healthy, vigorous mango branch of good variety. Using a sharp knife, make a ring-shaped cut around the branch, about 1 to 2 inches long, and remove the bark completely. Now take an aloe vera leaf and apply aloe vera gel on the cut area. Aloe vera can help prevent fungal and bacterial infections. Now take the coco peat and a transparent small bag. Then fill the bag completely with wet coco peat. Cut the center of the bag and set it on the branch. Tie the bag to the branch with zip tie. If you don't have coco peat, you can use garden soil. After 1 month, beautiful roots have grown. Remove the bag because the new roots are very soft. The roots are well developed. Carefully separate the branch from the mother plant. Now I will plant this tree in a pot. You can plant directly into the ground. 1 year, the new plant is ready to bear fruit.